Question 10 says if side xy is parallel to side mn and xz over mz equals 3 over 4 and xy equals 5 units, calculate the length of side nm. So the question is telling us that xy side here and mn are parallel, and that's also indicated by these arrows here. And because they share a point z, this means that these two triangles are similar, and all the sides of the two triangles will match up with the same ratio. So to figure out which vertices match up in each triangle, we know that the vertices on this straight line, or m and y, will match up, and n and x will match up as well because they're on a straight line. So we can look at what we've been given here. We've been told that yz over mz equals 3 over 4. So that's telling us the ratio that these two between these two sides. So yz is this side here in the smaller triangle, and mz is this side here in the big triangle. We know those are corresponding sides because m and y are corresponding vertices. And so we want to set up a ratio that's going to be equal to this ratio that includes the side nm, which is what we're interested in calculating. So the setup for that, that will also include what we have been told in the question, which is that xy is 5 units. So nm is this long side here, and we know it corresponds to xy up here. And I'm just going to write in that we've been told this is 5 units. So we can set up a ratio with those two sides that'll match up with these two. So we want, since yz corresponds to the smaller triangle, we want this side of the smaller triangle on top as well. So that's going to be yx on the top. And on the bottom, mz is the bigger triangle, so we also want the bigger triangle nm on the bottom. And we can plug in what we know, which is that yx is 5 units. And now we can just simplify this down into what we need to solve for nm. So we have 3 over 4 equals 5 over nm. And what I'm going to do now is just cross multiply. So 3 times nm equals 4 times 5, which is 20. And I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides, which gives me nm is equal to 20 over 3. Doesn't simplify down much more, so I'm just going to leave that as the fraction 20 over 3. So side nm is 20 over 3 units. And that's the answer to question 10.